Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna here. Basically, we are discussing one of the topic that is irrigation. In this, basically, we are discussing the topic that is future part creation. In this, basically, we are discussing about around 1 lakh house are basically getting the energies of this Uttar Pradesh basically creation energies basically, that is basically the earthquake is supposed to happen and earthquake is not supposed to happen. So one of the person told that yes, basically it's correct. Then basically they will mark here like this basically. This is also done basically, yes. So around 1 crore house basically are getting, and here basically I will add one more thing basically, that is 88 countries are 88 countries are 88 countries are here connected, means 88 countries basically are connected with this 1 crore house basically getting the energies. So see basically 88 countries basically connected here from Uttar Pradesh. So this basically is one chain also basically you can say. So this basically connects to Uttar Pradesh chain basically. So one of the person told that basically the software company basically have the data basically of Uttar Pradesh chain for whole world chain. Then basically one of the person told that this corona disease is what basically. Corona disease is actually what basically. So that is basically to collect that data only basically. So this data also basically the international group basically, that is the American group basically has collected. Why? Because they are responsible for digital information basically. So they, for example, one person told that basically, assume that basically one Italian person basically told that basically America you have that chaining data of each and every country basically. Then he told that yes, sorry, each and every states basically of India. Then he told that yes, no, basically I have basically. Then he basically told that basically Uttar Pradesh basically data you have. Then he told that yes, no, basically see, no, basically this is the data basically, and see in graphical format also basically, and see in energy format also basically, and see in future creation also basically, that is this creation data also we have basically. So that is this group basically, and created vitamin E. So one of the person told that basically here basically when the Uttar Pradesh basically was created, that time basically one of the vitamin basically was created basically. So one of the person told yes, and that vitamin information basically only the certain groups only basically knows. So see basically how dangerous things basically has connected here. So one of the person told that yes, this has become now very dangerous. So one of the person told that this is also basically done. So see the most dangerous thing basically, just now basically I have written, that is around this many houses basically are getting the energy, and basically Uttar Pradesh generation basically energies are connected with the 88 countries, and here basically the 88 country basically earthquake is supposed to happen, earthquake is not supposed to happen. So one of the person basically asked the TCS company basically and Infosys company, because these all are the group basically who is handling the data basically. And one of the person told that there is one company basically called Nelson Group also basically, they are also basically jumped into the digital world basically. So see basically things going to connect. So one of the person told that list me all the software companies in India basically. So see basically, this is the company basically TCS, who is responsible for entire digital softwares, that is the digital data, and these groups are basically handling the entire software companies, basically not one company basically, the entire world, entire India software company. Whatever he say, that basically this group have to listen basically. So one of the person basically asked one of the person basically of the Italian group basically asked TCS basically. TCS basically you have this data basically which basically just now basically we have discussed, that is entire states of India's chaining data basically, that is this data, this information, the thing basically which we just now basically discussed. Then he told that basically we have basically, if you want basically we can give in you diagram format also basically, in the energy format, in the medicine format also. So one of the person told that yes basically. So see basically the TCS group basically, you see basically up to what level they have reached, up to what level they have reached, up to what level they have reached. So they have the medicine also basically of the entire states basically, you can't imagine basically. And they basically know basically, TCS knows this also basically, that we have the data basically. So TCS and energy group department says that basically we have data basically, and software department says that basically we have data basically. So see basically the thing basically which we have written basically just now basically, how dangerous information it is. So one of the person told that basically like this basically each and every cities and each and every states and each and every countries are chained basically. Then he told that yes basically. So one of the person told that you are correct basically. So see basically the chaining system basically which is connecting. I will take just one rough example basically. India country, $88 countries, 88 countries. So India chain basically are connected with 88 countries, and 88 countries basically are connected with India countries and other countries. Other countries, see basically. And India is also basically connected with other countries. So see the chaining system basically which has generated now. See the chaining system which has generated now. So one of the person told that here basically what are the data basically. So one of the person told that the TCS group basically has the data. That is all metrics of energies. All future datas, all disease, bimari of this above data. Then one of the person told that yes, it's very dangerous. Then all basically now basically digital world is basically how basically digital world is also basically. See the digital world also basically now basically see the another thing also basically. Now basically the all medicines also basically you see. Then basically see the all chains of satellites also. Then basically see the sixth is all energies Then seventh number we will discuss in next video.